2 and 3 axis pipe bender mold installation. First, replace the appropriate fixing rod. Then install the central wheel die. Next, install the main clamping die and the guide die, but do not tighten the bolts. The guide die will fully extend only at a bending angle of more than 90 degrees. Then raise the main clamping die. If you find that the height of the clamping die is too high, loosen these bolts and adjust the height. If the dies of the mold cannot interlock, loosen the bolts and fixing nuts. Then turn the screw until the mold closes and secure it back. Next, open the main clamping die and turn the bending lever more than 90 degrees. After that, clamp the guide die. Then extend the guide die. And loosen the internal bolts. And adjust the height of the guide die. If the adjustment of the distance is limited by the screw, you need to adjust the position of the stopper block until the guide die is pressed. Next, install the collet clamp. Insert the pipe, clamp it, and hold it from the other end. If you find the carriage trolley is misaligned with the center of the wheel die, turn the carriage hand wheel to adjust the center until the pipe is pressed between mold. Adjustment is complete. So for the installation of mandrel, first install the penetrating screw, then put on 2 nuts. Screw in the mandrel cylinder connector. Install the mandrel. Stick out the mandrel and observe its position. And fix the rear part at the required mark. Then rotate the mandrel to adjust its position. And the installation of the pipe bender tooling is complete.